Hi, my name's Jack Soul. Thanks so much for stopping by this YouTube video. I really appreciate it. This YouTube video is my official demo of the Chase Bliss Audio and Analog Man collaboration, Brothers. This is a really great sounding overdrive distortion, and I've actually only got to play a King of Tone once at a recording studio, but it sounded great, and to my recollection, the Brothers sounds really similar, a great overdrive. But due to there already being so many standard demos of how the Brothers sounds, I'm going to take a little bit of a unique spin on the demo today, and that's I'm going to set the Brothers channel 1 and 2, and I'm going to leave them the same throughout the entire video. But what the pedals in front of will change throughout the video. So I'm going to put it in front of a new and an old tube amp. I'm going to use a solid state amp, lots of amp and cab sims, and some other unique stuff as well, just so you can kind of get an idea of how the Brothers sounds in different contexts. That being said, all the amps, all the amp and cab sims, anything that it's going through will be set clean. So any overdrive or distortion that you hear throughout the video will definitely be the Brothers. So I hope you enjoy. Everything will be time-stamped in the description. So if you're more interested in a certain thing, feel free to jump around and enjoy the video. So thanks for stopping by.
Bye.